from Callie and her friends, and today I'm here with Lucy from Lucy Has Some Fun, and also
Tony from Tony and Friends.
And today we are going to be opening Kinder Surprise eggs.
There's one. There's two.
Yeah.
So we'll open up two each.
Yay.
Okay, let's open them up.
Okay. I want to get those too.
Oh my.
Thank you. Thank you.
There we go. Let's clear the boxes away.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Who wants to open up the first one?
Me.
All right. Lucy's going to open up the first Kinder Egg surprise.
I want to eat the chocolate.
Yeah, usually that happens.
Just move it to side, and then you can eat it after the video. Yeah, good idea. I can't do it. I can help you. No, I know it. Okay.
There we go.
There we go. You got it.
Oh, look what you got.
It's so cute. What are you gonna name him or her? I'm gonna name her Star, cause she has little. If you guys can see, she has little stars in her eyes. So I'm gonna name her Star, and I don't know where this goes. I'm gonna try to find her in the package.
All right. While you do that, Callie, why don't you open up one?
Okay. You can also wear it as a ring.
There's the chocolate. Nope, just one.
I figured it out. I got a mermaid.
Oh, you got a mermaid.
No fair.
Cool.
I think I'm gonna name her Lisa.
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 Rusev.
Did you figure it out?
Yeah, I did. It's supposed to go on like this, and in the picture it says it looks like you can wear it as a ring as well on your ring finger.
Ah, very cool.
Oops,
sorry. Nice. Fabulous. Fabulous. Okay. How'd you open up yours, Jordan? So what was that? Chocolate? All right, let's see what... Oh, that looks pretty cool. What's that? Oh, nice.
Where does this go?
I guess the stickers go on the car.
Yeah.
All right. While you do that, let's go back to Lucy, who's eating chocolate.
I'm not a big fan of chocolate, actually.
Oh, yeah. I can see that.
A little bit of chocolate on that.
Did you figure it out?
Okay. Okay, I got it open.
There you go.
So, oh God, that looks nice. Ooh, I like that. Oh, you got the smooth top one. Yep, I did.
Oh, cool.
But I forgot how it goes. I'll be back with this.
We'll figure it out.
I don't know how my mermaid goes anyways.
All right, we'll come back and we'll...
I don't know how to get her fin on, so... Guess I'll open up this one next. Cool! Oh, well.
Okay, I figured you got these cars.
All right, let's see the car. Look at the car. Pretty cool. All right, hold on, Jordan. Hold on, Jordan. Let's see. Oh, let's see what Callie got.
I got a little puppy, I think.
A little dinosaur.
You got a puppy? Actually, that doesn't look that cute. This looks cute. Yeah.
Okay, I'm opening to open my egg.
All right. Callie, you work on that, and then I'll get Jordan to open up his egg. There it is.
Finally, I did it. What? I did it. Put it. Spin it to see if it works.
That's impressive that you did that, actually.
Ta-da!
Look at that.
Look what I made. It's a ring.
Cool.
It's a flower ring. As you
heck
can
is this?
see in the pictures right here, it's like a ring and a flower. It can't. I want to see if it spins. So hold it up here. It spins for a second. Can I feel it? And guys, there's underneath this little flower part, there's this thing that you probably could spin on. See that pink part?
Yep.
You could probably spin on it.
Ah. All right, Jordan, what did you get?
This.
What does it look like? Looks like a little car or something?
Yeah. Just pieces.
All right. We'll build the rest and we'll show you what we got.
Here's what we got.
All right. So, Callie got a mermaid.
And you can.
That's named Lisa.
I named her Lisa. And then this part you can brush her hair with it, but right now it's stuck.
All right, and then we
I
got
got a
the
cute
dog.
little puppy.
What's the dog's name?
Oscar.
Oscar. For the award?
I don't know. Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Let me just get Twilight out.
Oh.
Yeah, there. Oh no, this is Twilight. Never mind. I thought it was.
Look at this.
So this is the ring.
Look at this.
Uh-huh. And this that I said that I was gonna name Star. I'm gonna name it Twilight now because I think it's a better name. Callie thought of it with me.
Twilight.
Yeah.
All right. So Jordan, let's see what you got.
A car.
So you got a car.
Good. Does it actually roll?
Whoa!
And it rolls off the table.
And then what's that?
A water flame.
Yeah, so you can fill that up with water, spray it. Just don't spray the camera.
Hey, I made a little doghouse for him.
All right. So remember to subscribe to Callie's channel, like the video, share with your family and friends, and until next time.
Bye.